How to get two-factor authentication on Riot games. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I would show you how you can get two-factor authentication on Riot games. So two-factor authentication is very necessary in order to secure your account from internet fraudsters. And so, how do you get it? First of all, log in into your Riot Games account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner where you can see my account. Then once you can see this option, just scroll down and click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you'll be taken to the settings page automatically. On this page, you can see different options, right? By the left side, you can see Riot ID, personal information, Riot account signing, connected account, two-factor authentication. So just click on that. And then after clicking on it, you can see the option two-factor authentication. You can see two options. You can see that currently it is disabled. So to enable it, just click on the enable button, and then an email will be sent to your Gmail address. So all you need to do is to go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon to open a new tab, and in the search box, type out your Gmail inbox. Then click on Gmail, and then you'll be taken to your inbox page. So once you're in your inbox page, you can see enable two-factor authentication. So just select it, scroll down, and then click on enable two-factor authentication. And then you'd wait for the page to load. All right. Once it has loaded, you can see an information displayed on your screen which says you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your account. To make more changes, please visit account management. So click on manage account in order to be taken or to be referred back to your account management page. And just like that, two-factor authentication has been done on your account. So this is it. As simple as that. Thanks for watching and have a good day.